how to use the Moneybox stocks and shares ISA. Follow the video till the end so you don't miss any important step. Let's get started. Download the Moneybox app and choose a stocks and shares ISA from the investment options. You can fund your ISA by making a lump sum deposit, setting up a direct debit, or using the roundup feature to invest your spare change. Go to Wealth, then Stocks and Shares ISA, followed by Explore More Investment, and then select Stocks. You can choose individual stocks to invest in. Submit a buy request before 12 p.m. and the trade will be processed the same working day when US market open. Request after 12 p.m. will be proceed the next working day. The buy typically completes within one working day. You can sell stocks anytime from the Accounts tab by selecting the stock and choosing to sell. Sales typically complete within 1 to 2 working days and the proceeds are added to your available cash. Once your investment is sold, you can transfer the cash to your linked bank account. Your capital is at risk, meaning the value of your investment may go up or down. Always invest for the long term. That's it.